There's a VD there. We can probably grab him real quick. Oh, I jumped off. That's nice.
Messing all the ones in the courtyard.
Okay, my target is
Yeah.
the Norseman. It's an SB. I think it's alone. It can die. It's got no one to love it. Okay, the troll is next. Okay, they're hampered. Yeah, just root these and let's go down. Okay, actually, let's kill these pets. Kill this Dread Commander. Let's make this BD work for it.
Is Birdsong Spartacus?
What's that?
Alright, they're coming up. Their raid leader is called Birdsong.
Okay. I've got a target. That's their raid leader.
We're gonna ultimately go towards. When we pull back, we're gonna pull back to the south gatehouse.
Okay, I've got their healers right here.
Follow
They're re-resing right here. This is their shaman. I got their shaman and their target.
Everyone come out to shaman right here.
Okay, I've got the troll up here. We can bomb it.
I got all their healers, Mez.
It's dead. Drop down. This dwarf is the first target when you get down here. Just bomb.
I'm Mez.
I got Ickard.
Ickard.
I got a big troll on me here.
Got armsman on me.
Okay, turn and block this armsman
Bear,
while
jump
I'm.
off. Bear, jump into the courtyard.
I'm down here. Right in the
I'm
tower.
popping cloak
Oh,
because.
got it.
Got guards on us, so Big's got a guard.
Did they go up or what?
They went up. They went up.
Okay, let's finish this guard right here and then we'll go up. Trolls on us. Trolls on us.
Troll's my target.
Pop the troll, everybody. I'm
Pop it on
diseasing
them.
him and then nuking him.
I've got both of them on me. I got nobody up here. I'm alone.
Come back down, Gamma. We're down here with this troll.
Oh, okay. I thought we were going up.
He's down.
I got 2 armsmen on me.
What are we doing? Killing these armsmen?
Alright, finish this armsman and then we're going up. Heck is upstairs. He's fighting 2 guys on his own.
Yeah, I've got armsman on me right now, so trying to kill him. Okay. DPS unit, go up.
I think they're wiped.
I think they're all the way up on this.
I'm up top.
They jumped
they
down,
either ran or
maybe.
were wiped. Yeah, they probably went to their tower to regroup.
We could get away with like a 7-pound brisket in that crock pot, but that's pushing it.
Clear these guards real quick.
Clear them, yeah.
Yeah. Just real fast.
Quite a few elves in here.
Yeah, let's clear these. There's one more, clearing one more. Alright, I'm gonna check it out.
Ooh, stun.
Have a target now?
Granny's
Target?
stunned.
I fucking fell down, dude.
Good mez out.
I have to run around, I'm coming.
I fell through the floor. That's
There
interesting.
they come. Oh, they're coming.
Target.
I'm popping a static tempest there. Drop him.
Target.
Necrosm.
Target. Get out of that toilet. Target. Target prac. He's debuffed. Falling down right here, go down.
You got a mercenary on me.
Target.
He was saying a lot of lies.
Oof, my
I saw some of me in that, but at the same time, it was different because it was like he's not compromising.
Debuffing this target in 3, 2, 1. Now target, kill it.
Like he's taking you on his journey, and I never snapped out of that journey till it was over.
Oh my god, did we
Target.
get him?
And I was like, yo, this kid is fucking
Kills on call.
More mezzes out.
Target. Okay, new target.
Carry near side.
I'm jumping down for this healer on him. Target. He's stunned. Take him. He purged. Target. Debuffing. Target. My target's debuffed. Or push up. Pushing up some. Target. Nice. Target.
Mezzes are out.
I'm nearsighted, so alright, I can hit him now.
Target. Getting ready to come down again with the rest.
There we go, baby.
I can't cure this fucking nearsight. 30 more seconds.
Nice mez.
Target on the bottom of the siege tower.
You two dead inside.
Mm-hmm.
Very much so. Very,
Yeah,
very
right,
much
right at
so.
the top of that tower.
Target on top.
Leeches.
Yes, I am definitely leeching right
Target.
now.
Target.
He fell
to his
down.
death.
That was great.
Want to start clearing these guards? Actually, it's going back to the Albs.
I think we jump up here and see what we can get.
Yeah.
There's a bunch up there.
Most of
Yeah,
them
there's
are on the
definitely-
gate.
Okay.
Oh, that's a monster res.
Just root him. Target up top.
Yeah, they're moving down.
Okay.
Target up top.
Target not visible.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What?
Yeah, wild when he's at 20%.